Hi guys, Glenn Norwood here again. Just a very quick little snippet video here that I just wanted to share with you. We did a shoot not so long ago. It was a hair shoot, but we wanted to do something a little different. So we did the entire shoot and lit the entire set with just snoots, various snoots, optical snoots and different bits and pieces. As you can see here, we've got many snoots. So that was the idea of what we were trying to do. So we used a mixture of these sort of newer optical snoots, the snoots with the lens attachment, and we kind of had a couple of extra older versions here too. We used lots of different, whether it be shapes or patterns, to create little pockets of light, whether it be on the background or whether it be on the models themselves, just to see what we could come up with just using snoots. I hope you like the results, and here's a little bit of video to show you what we did.
Sometimes when you mean, you put a little bit of gasoline. I burned out, so to speak. Come a little closer. Here's some disclosure. Do you mind to quit your pretending? Truth or false, the shit never ending. Hear me now and stop condescending. You see, I'm begging, you hear me begging. If you're sick for love, don't try to hide it. Find it deep inside and try to hide it. If there's a way, I wanna know we tried it. Quit your games and now that you denied it. Losing this game, I can't afford to be losing this game. And I know you deserve respect. Losing my mind, can't find the words, no, I can't seem to find. But I'm really trying again. Reason right and take your time and choose. Whether we green or yellow, whether we deep or shallow. Please me now, cause we're about to lose. Whether we buy or hello, whether we stay or jello. I got room and make amends, but can't go through the same regrets. It could feel so good on mine. Not about love, again. And I know you deserve respect. Deep or shallow, please me now, cause we're about to lose. Whether we buy or hello, whether we stay or jump.